How to change mortise lock handing. Remove the red locking screw and install on the side of the lock body that will face the locked side of the door. Push in the latch and depress the catch plate. Pull the latch out of the lock body. Flip the latch bolt over and slide it back into the lock body. Place a screwdriver behind the latch tail and push the latch bolt in until the catch plate is no longer depressed. Paddle trim installation. Insert the cylinder through the cylinder collar. Thread the cylinder into the lock body. Then install the cylinder set screw on the cylinder side of the lock at the door edge. Install the trim by inserting the mounting posts through the outside chassis and sliding them through the lock body in the door. Install the inside chassis on the other side of the door and secure the two sides together with the supplied mounting screws. Level the chassis using a mounting square and securely tighten the mounting post screws. Drill the two surface mount holes. Then, insert and tighten the surface mount screws. Identify the desired paddle orientation and secure the insert on the paddle with the supplied screws. Attach the paddle to the chassis by aligning the top side of the paddle with the pivot hole. Then, insert the axle through the pivot hole in the chassis and push the bottom of the paddle in, so the axle goes through the top and bottom pivot holes. Install the cover using the oval head mounting screws. Be certain the cover holes are positioned underneath the paddle. Repeat the same process to install the paddle on the other side of the door. Select the desired paddle orientation. Fasten the insert to the paddle. Install the paddle. And secure the cover. Tighten the screws on the lock body and install the scalp using flathead screws. Finally, test the paddle operation.